everyone, today I am going to cover questions asked in previous year question papers from chapter How do organisms reproduce? This lesson is very important for the exam. So refer these questions while preparing for your exam. Now we will see the questions from September 2020 supplementary exam question paper. The question is, how does menstruation occur? Here we have to explain the process of menstruation cycle. This question is for 2 marks. The answer is, the uterus prepares itself every month to receive a fertilized egg, and thus its lining becomes thick and spongy. If the egg is not fertilized, the lining slowly breaks and comes out through the vagina as blood and mucus. Second question is, explain the development of fertilized egg into fetus in a woman. Here we have to write how fertilized egg becomes fetus in a woman. This question is for 2 marks. The answer is, the fertilized egg starts dividing and forms a ball of cells or embryo. The embryo is implanted in the lining of the uterus where they continue to grow and develop organs to become fetus. The third question asked in September 2020 is, in humans, how the surgical contraceptive methods can be used to prevent pregnancy. The answer is, if the vas deferens in the man is blocked, sperm transfer will be prevented, fertilization will not take place. If the fallopian tube in the woman is blocked, the egg will not be able to reach the uterus. Fertilization will not take place. This question is for 2 marks. Next question asked in June 2020 question paper is, draw the diagram showing the germination of pollen on stigma and label the pollen tube. For this drawing, you will get 1.5 marks, and for labeling a part, half mark. Next question. Here, 2 questions were given and you have to write any one of these. We will see first question now. The question is, explain the significant function of each structure in human male reproductive system. This question is for 3 marks. The structure of human male reproductive system has testes, scrotum, urethra, vas deferens, prostate gland, and seminal vesicle and penis. The function of testes is they produce sperms and testosterone hormone, which is responsible for male characters. Scrotum regulate temperature necessary for production of sperms. Urethra and vas deferens transport sperm from testes. Prostate gland and seminal vesicle add their secretion to make the sperm transport easier and provide nutrition. And penis delivers the sperms to the site of fertilization. Next question is, explain the structure and important role of placenta during gestation period of woman. Here we have to explain the structure and also mention the important role of placenta during gestation period of a woman. The answer is, during pregnancy period, the embryo gets nutrition from the mother's blood with the help of disc-shaped special tissue embedded in the uterine wall is called placenta. It contains villi on the developing side of the tissue. Villi provides glucose and oxygen to pass from mother to embryo. Removes the waste generated from the embryo. Next question from June 2019 is for 2 marks. The question is, in sustaining reproductive fertility of a person, A. Position of the testes in the body, B. Secretion of the testosterone, C. Secretion of the prostate gland are supplementary to each other. Explain scientifically. Answer is A. Sperm formation requires a lower temperature than body temperature. B. Testosterone regulates or stimulates the formation of sperm. C. Secretion of prostate gland makes the transportation of sperm easier. Thus, reproductive fertility is sustained by the formation, stimulation to the formation and proper transportation of sperms. Second question from June 2019 is, Draw the diagram showing the germination of pollen on stigma and label the part on which pollination takes place. Here, the part on which pollination takes place is stigma. This question is also asked in June 2020, so you need to practice this drawing. 1.5 marks for drawing and half mark for labeling part. The question from March 2019 is for 1 mark. It's a multiple choice question. The question is, part of the flower that develops into fruit and part of the seed that develops into root respectively are A. Ovary and plumule, B. Plumule and radicle, C. Ovary and radicle, D. Ovary and ovule. The correct option is C. Ovary and radicle. Second question from March 2019 is, draw the diagram showing the longitudinal section of a flower. Label the following parts. First one style, second one anther. Here 1 mark for drawing and half mark for labeling each part. These were the questions asked from a lesson How Do Organisms Reproduce? Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.